What do you do if you are the richest man on the planet? Your name is Elon Musk and you just revealed the most futuristic-looking electric pickup truck people could have imagined. Exactly, you surprise everyone with an even more badass vehicle and you reveal the Tesla Cyberquad. The electric quad bike segment remains till this day relatively small, basically non-existent. However, one company that can't wait to grow their market shares is Tesla. The Cyberquad is finally coming, and in this video, we will show you what you can expect. And you're probably going to want to buy one after watching the whole video. Let us tell you how the Cyberquad is finally happening and when you can expect the release. Quad bikes, also called ATVs, which stands for all-terrain vehicle, travel on low-pressure tires, with that are straddled by the operator, along with handlebars for steering control. As the name implies, it is designed to handle a wider variety of terrain than most other vehicles. The rider sits on and operates these vehicles like a motorcycle, but the extra wheels give more stability at slower speeds. When and how did Tesla come up with the idea? Tesla unveiled the Cyberquad in 2019, as Tesla CEO Elon Musk had a little "one more thing" moment on stage.
All right, thank you. Oh wait, we have should we do the? We also made an ATV. So
as they brought out the Tesla Cyberquad, an electric ATV. Tesla presented the quad to show off the payload capacity of the Cybertruck, as it was made to fit in the Cybertruck's bed. The initial plan was to sell it as an option with the Cybertruck. And that plan may still happen. However, for now Tesla is selling a scaled-down Cyberquad for kids. It can accommodate riders 8-year-old and up who is under 150 pounds. The Cyberquad for kids has a 15-mile range and can hit a top speed of 10 miles per hour. It's listed for $1,900 on Tesla's website, but it's currently out of stock. If you want to get one, you must be very quick, since for the second time, the Tesla Cyberquad for kids sold out in less than a day. This time it was just a few hours after going back in stock. But now let's get back to the adult size version. The reason why we probably haven't heard much of official Cyberquad-related news regarding the adult-sized version has to do with the fact that the Cybertruck has been postponed several times. Nevertheless, Tesla has confirmed that its electric ATV is coming, and now it has launched a design competition for teams of university students and researchers to come up with a battery pack design created around the 2,170 cylindrical battery cell. There's also a prize involved, the equivalent of around $30,000 for the winning team. What strikes us as being somewhat strange is the fact that Tesla may use the winning design in the finished production Cyberquad. Why is it crowdsourcing this design, as opposed to just creating it in-house? This leaves us wondering. However, it's interesting Tesla is open to outsource work to the most competent competitor in this contest. And this is a good sign. Tesla is currently working on the Cyberquad right now as we speak. Well, it would also not be the first time that Tesla looked to the public for design resources in China. Previously, Tesla announced that it was searching for someone to lead its Chinese design team, the one working on the so-called $25,000 Tesla. For the Cyberquad battery pack, Tesla is specifically looking for interested teams of university students, as well as what it calls innovation and research teams. The Tesla Cybertruck is set to go into production and begin deliveries next year, and it will be assembled at the newly opened Giga, Texas facility. The Cyberquad, however, will most likely be completely built in China and then shipped to the US for those buyers who specified the electric quad option. This although Elon Musk said it would be made in Texas, alongside the truck. That said, we wouldn't be surprised if both the Cybertruck and Cyberquad end up also being produced in China at some point. However, we are pretty sure Tesla is keeping his promise about the Cyberquad and is going to release it with the upcoming Cybertruck in 2023. But the low amount Tesla would be able to produce until the release would leave many on a long waiting list. What do you guys think? Will Tesla stick to its plan and produce the Cyber line in the USA? Or will they switch to China soon to achieve even lower prices? Let us know in the comments.